Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You will begin by securing your current environment so you can revert if needed. First, export configuration, user roles, and policy files. Once done, store them off system. Next, sign in with an admin account that has full privileges and two-factor authentication enabled. Then, stop any active syncs, CI jobs, or integrations to prevent writes during reset. Make sure to notify stakeholders about downtime. This prevents conflicts while you proceed to the next operational steps. Now you perform the main reset actions. Run the built-in reset command or CLI with the full reset flag to clear settings. Follow prompts carefully. Once the command completes, manually remove cached indexes, temporary files, and orphan database entries that the tool may skip. After cleanup, reinitialize default schemas and seed data so the content manager has a clean baseline. Finally, rebuild search indexes and verify that core services restart without errors before moving to validation. Finish by restoring only approved settings from your backups to avoid reintroducing corruption. Once restored, validate user access levels, workflows, and scheduled jobs to confirm they behave as expected. Run smoke tests on key content flows and monitor logs for warnings or errors. If something fails, stop, review system logs for stack traces, and rerun the reset in safe or maintenance mode. This often exposes dependency issues. Make sure to inform stakeholders when the system is stable. And
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.